please subscribe.
I removed the serpentine tensioner. You can see the 3-threaded bolt holes there. The tensioner bearings ended up locking up and then breaking, and there you can see there's no bearings, and that's how it was on the vehicle. It broke the belt, so I pulled it apart, and this is basically what I found. All that was left was the inner bearing race. That's I'm pulling off there. I took a file and just cleaned up any burrs before I put on the new pulley. Here's the new pulley installed. You can see the bearing. Not too bad, it just bolts on, and then just got to rebolt it back to the vehicle, the tensioner itself. The ratchet will actually fit in that rectangle square on the aluminum bracket, and that's how you loosen up the tensioner. Got it back installed. There's the 3 bolts. You just put it on, you screw in the 3 bolts, and next I'll grab a ratchet and loosen up the tensioner spring and put on the belt. And now the belt's on, and it's good to go. I removed the fan so I could get access into the tensioner, the 3 bolts. It was just way easier to do that. Now I'll have to reinstall that, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.